Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your seed bank businesses. For example, you have a seed bank business in where your customer can explore the types of seed you are providing to them, track delivery status as well as customer support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your seed bank business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of seed bank. Hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Seed Bank. How can I help you today? While providing me three different options, that is place seed orders, track my delivery and farming tips. If I'll click on place seed order, then it will respond to me like this while providing me three different types of seeds, that are vegetable seeds, flower seeds and herb seeds. If I'll click on vegetable seeds, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one tomato seeds and their price and one button, that is order now button. If I'll click on flower seeds, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me one cherry blossom seeds including their price and one button order now. After I click on this, then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that thank you for ordering from our Pabbly Seed Bank. Our team will connect with you soon for further details. We appreciate your support. If I'll click on track my delivery, then it will respond to me like this, that please enter your order ID to check the status. So here I am providing them one order ID. Here I provide it. After, you can see it will respond to me like this. If I'll click on farming tips, then it will respond to me like this while providing me some farming tips. So basically this is how your chatbot will work, and this is how our bot will respond to our customer instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your seed bank businesses. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. The next one is the AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. Here on the right hand side you can see one button is there, add flow button. With the help of this button you can create a new WhatsApp chatbot. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our seed bank business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Seed Bank. Now I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For that I am clicking on this text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it, while at the end of this I'll ask my customer that how can I help you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as place seed order. The second button I'll write is track my delivery, and the third button I'll write is farming tips. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now if my customer wants to place seed order, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. You can see in this message I'll ask my customer that what types of seed are you interested in, choose one. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can provide my first seed type as vegetable seed. The second seed type I'll write as flower seeds, and the third seed type I'll write as herb seeds. Here I write it. After that, if my customer wants to purchase a vegetable seeds from my seed bank business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, choose content type as media. It will provide me one message box. I'll select the media type as image and upload one image of vegetable seed that are available in my seed bank. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am writing some details about this tomato seed in this enter caption box. Here I write it, and also I am providing them one button, that is order now. By clicking on this plus add button. Here I write it. After that, if my customer wants to purchase this tomato seed from my seed bank, then they will click on this order now button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing the respond message in this enter message box. Here I write it. After that, if my customer wants to purchase flower seed from my seed bank, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. Here it will provide me one message box in where I'll select media type as image and upload one image of flower seed that are available in my seed bank by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am writing some details about this cherry blossom seeds in this enter caption box. Here I write it. Here I am also providing them one button, that is order now button, for ordering this cherry blossom seeds by clicking on this plus add button and writing in this enter text box. Here I write it. After that I'll connect this circle to this message. The response would be the same. Now the third one is the herb seed. If my customer wants to purchase herb seed from my seed bank, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as media, where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of herb seed that are available in my seed bank. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am writing some details about this basil seed in this enter caption box. Here I write it. Now I am providing one book now button for this also by clicking on this plus add button. Here I provided. After that, if my customer wants to book any of these seeds from my seed bank, that is tomato seed, cherry blossom seed or basil seed, then my bot will respond to the same. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. Now I'll connect this circle which are present in front of order now to this message, this circle to this message. The response would be the same. I'll arrange this here. Now the second one is the track my delivery. If my customer wants to track their delivery, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this action option and take a button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and here I am writing one question for my customer, that is please provide your order ID. Here I write it. While in the select contact custom field, I'll select as order ID. I already created this contact custom field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select format as any. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the circle which are present in front of track my delivery to this message. I write it here. Now when my customer provided me their order ID, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. Now the third one is the farming tips. If my customer wants to know about some farming tips, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button and writing some farming tips. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of your flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your seed bank business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your customer instantly like this. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.